check engine light. I'm gonna check out what code it is in a second. But here it is. So I'm gonna let the car idle, and it's gonna idle kind of rough. As you can see, long-term bank 1 is pulling all the fuel out of it. Whatever. But the second you just even hit the gas a little bit, it runs fucking fine. I mean, it sounds kind of weird, but alright, I'm gonna scan it in a second. But basically, if anyone's had this issue, I've had long tubes installed. I don't know, bank 2 was changed, bank 1 is still the same. Whatever, it is what it is. Alright, well, we changed the O2 sensor out. Car runs fine. Both sensors are pretty much acting the same. Bank 1 for some reason is dropping voltage. That's reading in millivolts. I guess that's because of the sensor. But you know, once you get on it, they kind of both do the same thing. So I'm not really too worried about it right now. As you can see, they're both acting almost the same. The long term and on the long term on both banks is pretty much acting the same. So it is what it is. So if you're having a similar issue, check your O2 sensors, I guess. That's all I can really say. I mean, other than that, I don't really know what you want. Alright, well, hopefully this video helped somebody. If it did, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, all that. Have a nice day. Back to being normal.